Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, Gears and Glitter. Today we're going to be working on doing a custom DIY shift boot, and it's basically already done for me. I mean, I used the fabric that I used for my headliner, but it was kind of a very rushed situation. If you've seen my headliner video, you'll kind of know what I'm talking about, because it came down to the wire for Slammed Enough Daytona Beach. And so I kind of just threw the shit on there and was like, looks good to me. So I'm gonna be fixing that, but also kind of walking you guys through how to actually do it from start to finish. And don't forget to subscribe and like this video if you want to see more. Okay, so I've got my shift boot that I currently have with this gaping hole of a shift boot. So if you have a Genesis coupe, that's how you're going to take it apart. Obviously you all know of the shifter panel that's over there. So you don't really have to take this part out, it kind of just comes out. And then underneath there are clips, which are usually stapled in, but I took those out obviously because you got to take it off somehow. And this just pops off. And then the fabric, you can kind of go in there. So you can kind of see of what I did and did not do correctly. So here's my fabric. It's kind of a square. And what I would recommend is before you put like a hole in the middle, I would put it over the top of your shifter, obviously without the shift knob, and just put like a little dot of a marker on top in this area. And you can kind of do like a plus sign cut, just kind of like this, cut it into fourths so you can just fold them in, which is kind of what I did here. You can see like pizza. Everybody understands math if it has to do with food, right? So that's what you're going to want to do. And then so now, why they gotta make everything so extra with the Genesis? Like, I'll leave this puppy in here. And this is also what mine looks like. I kept it black just because I like black, all black everything. And then I added like some flake to it. So this, my AC vents and my head unit is all this beautiful color. It's like a black with rose gold flake. I absolutely love it. So here's what we're gonna do. I'm just gonna look at how this lines up again real quick. Okay, so it does have to snap in place. Damn. Okay, so it does have to snap in place with all these clips. I'm going to take the fabric, pull through a good amount. Can't really show y'all because it's kind of, it's a pain in the butt. So, I'm going to do that. I do think that cutting the holes for the clips to go through, once you line those up, it's a little bit easier because it kind of hangs on that. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. So we're gonna go ahead and start cutting away. Okay, so here is what I'm working with. So you're gonna want to try to pull a little bit from each side. Like I said, it's kind of a pain in the butt because, yeah. I'm trying to do, I'd rather have more fabric than less, so that's what I'm trying to do here. I'm leaving about like this much. In. Yes, it's all fitting in really good now. There, it's all clipped in. Like that. Looks so much neater, so much nicer. So from here, we're gonna go ahead and put it back in the car. And this is actually gonna require one zip tie, so we're gonna go ahead and get that. All right, so I've got my zip ties. Let's get started. Fortunately, I don't have to remove my shift knob for this, so that's good. You can just kind of put everything on top. So you're gonna wanna turn it, probably can't even really see it, turn it inside out like this, so the top portion is sticking through the bottom. And I lost my zip tie. DIY shift boot. Thank y'all as always for watching my videos. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you like this video and you want to see more things like it.